Let's set up Claude and Unity MCP. First thing you need to do, if you don't have Claude and Unity downloaded, we need to get it downloaded. So go to Claude and download the desktop version, and go to Unity and download the Unity Hub. After you have Unity Hub installed, create your project and we'll move on to the next step. So once you have that downloaded, we need to go in Unity and we need to install Unity AI. This doesn't require a subscription, but the reason we need to install it is if you go to project settings without Unity AI installed, then you don't have the MCP server settings that you need to access. So first thing you need to do is go into the top panel, click on AI, and agree and install Unity AI. This may take a few minutes. So if you get a bunch of warnings, I'm currently using Unity 6.3 and I get these warnings all the time when I install Unity AI, and that's because of a deprecated package that we just need to remove. If you go to your package manager, if you don't have the window open already, go to Window, Package Management, and Package Manager. So inside Package Manager, you'll see an Errors and Warnings section. Click on that, and this Generators package, we need to remove that. Go to Manage and Remove. Once you remove that generators package, now we can start setting up MCP. So if you go to your project settings under Edit, you'll now see that we have an AI section, and at the bottom of that we have Unity MCP server. By default, this is pretty much set up how you need it. The only thing that you can adjust or might want to adjust in the future is under these tools. There's a lot of options that don't come selected by default, and it just gives Claude some different access. But right now we can leave everything how it is. We just have to make sure that Unity Bridge is running. There are no connections currently because we haven't set anything up. And under integrations, all you have to do is find Claude Code, select configure, and you're pretty much done from there. Now we just have to access Claude, accept the handshake, and you're ready to go to use Unity MCP with Claude. Once you're inside Claude, all you have to do is go to the Code tab and point Claude to the project that you're in. Give it a command, and we should get a handshake on the Unity side, and we need to allow that handshake. So let's try place a cube at 0, 0, 0. And for this, I'm not going to use Opus 5. I'm going to use something like Sonnet just to save the tokens. You don't need to use the strongest or best model of the time to do this. So while that's thinking, if we go back to Unity, you should see a pop-up to allow the connection, and all you have to do is click allow. Now we see the connection has started, and we can go back to Claude and allow. Claude reports back that the cube was created at 0, 0, 0, so we will check it out in Unity. We will close the window, and you can see the cube in the scene view is created there, and it's also in the hierarchy at 0, 0, 0. So there you go. It's pretty simple to set up Unity MCP with Claude. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.